story is entitled Breakfast with the Birds. Our memory text is found in Isaiah 41:10. It says, I am your God, I will strengthen you, and I will help you.
Amen.
Long ago, there was a wicked king named King Ahab who ruled the land of Israel. King Ahab and his queen Jezebel worshipped idols. They led the land of Israel to worship idols too. I encourage people to disobey God's commands. Queen Jezebel and Baal's prophets boldly kill the Lord's prophets. God has a prophet named Elijah from Tishbe in Gilead. Elijah served God and taught the people to worship Him. God was troubled by the wickedness and idol worship he saw in the land. So God asked Elijah to deliver a message to King Ahab. Elijah knew that King Ahab didn't want a message from God. But in spite of the danger, Elijah, he didn't hesitate. He went to Samaria and delivered the message to King Ahab. As the Lord, the God of Israel lives, whom I served, there will neither dew nor rain in the next few years, except at my word. Elijah proclaimed and quickly left. God instructed Elijah to go eastward and hide in the Kerith ravine, where he can find water in the brook, and ordered ravens to feed him. Every morning and evening, the birds brought food to Elijah. The message of the story is God knows our needs. He cares about us. Amen.
Amen.